Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to avoid international transaction fees in Australia. This is the bank which is called HSBC. This is the Australian bank and how to avoid international transaction fees. So here is the some instructions. So you will just consider your international payment options. So you will be a credit card can be convenient when you travel, but they usually charge a currency conversion fee. If you withdraw cash at an ATM, you could pay a cash advance fee and higher interest rate. So you will just prepay travel money and allows you to top up with the currency you need and lock in exchange rate. You can also withdraw cash or make up purchases in the local currency. And if you just buy and hold, spend up into like 10 foreign currencies with competitive exchange rates, and you will just pay everywhere Visa is accepted with no international transaction fees. So non HSBC fees may apply, but if you just have account in HSBC bank, so you can just apply for your Visa card, and Visa card is acceptable in everywhere, so you will be just avoid to international transaction fees. So in this way you will just avoid international transaction fees in Australia. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.